What's going on, y'all? So I just got this box in from the House of Rags. I have no idea what's inside. Let's find out. Want to thank Becca for sending me these items. You're amazing. But I can't wait to find out what's in here. So let's go. Oh man, it's an absolute beautiful day here in Charleston. I'm so happy that the warm weather is really coming back. I'm sure it'll probably still get cold one more time, but yeah. All right, so up first, looks like we have their glass towels. So really heard big things about these. Let's dive in and check it out. All right, so yeah. So these glass towels, not only do they have a soft, kind of like suede-like edge, but they have one side that has a higher pile, and then this side that's kind of for finishing. So you could start off with this side, and then flip it over to the other side. So very cool. All right, this is the House of Rags exterior glass towels. They are the Diva glass towels. The Diva glass towel. So they have the Diva drying towel. That's a really good drying towel. Let me see, their drying towels I think are the Diva drying towel and the Goat. We'll put those here and here maybe. So yeah, really good towels. I have both of those and love them. The Goat especially, it's really, really high GSM. I think it's like a 2000 GSM if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, really thirsty towel, does a great job for big vehicles and things like that. All right, cool. So this is a, wait, how many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweet. Yes. If anything, I always can use more glass towels. So awesome. Very, very cool. All right, now it looks like we've got a number of different products. So up first is INNOVACAR Care. So I haven't used any of their products yet. This is their DS scale. So a decontamination treatment, lime scale remover. So it would, I imagine, take care of your ceramic coated vehicles and kind of remove that mineral buildup. Yeah, so it looks like it is a pH 3. Doesn't say on the bottle exactly how to use it, but this is an Italian brand, INNOVACAR. Definitely heard big things, like I said. Up next, oh, sweet. Okay, so this is their, this is a INNOVACAR as well, and this is their S2 Foamy Blue. So I imagine this is going to be that bright blue foam. Definitely been seeing some brighter colored snow foams. There's like a pink and a blue and green I've seen around. I don't know if Innova makes all those different colors, but here is definitely blue, and stoked to try it. It said it's neutral foamy shampoo with added enzymes. Flower explosion. Let's actually see what it smells like. Kind of curious. Can I get it open? It's probably childproof. Okay. So not necessarily, just a nice clean scent. Nothing crazy, which is fine by me. I don't necessarily need any scents, especially the fruity ones. I'm not as crazy about. All right, so this is No Odors long-lasting odor removal. So let's check this out. So this is, looks like it gets rid of smoke, animal, musty, food odors, things like that. I'm definitely gonna have to do some more research on how to use these products. It doesn't necessarily specify on the bottle, so I'll definitely be doing a deeper dive on all these products coming up soon. All right. Also, what do you guys think about the new location? I thought I would move out of the garage. I'm always, in there, so yeah, I thought I'd try some different venues for some of my unboxings and things like that. All right, sweet. So Detail Co product. This is their tire dressing, so Guardian dressing. I have only tried their microfiber wash, which I'm not sure exactly the name of it. I'll put it right over here, but their microfiber wash is really, really great. But yeah, looking forward to trying their tire dressing. Let's see, the pinnacle of trim and tire dressing, highly dilutable for your needs, whether interior or exterior. Okay, cool. So you can use it as an interior dressing as well. So it's not just tire dressing, it is just a plastic dressing or plastic and rubber dressing of sorts. So kind of like maybe like a CarPro Pearl, which is a product I really enjoy. It's got some different dilution ratios. There's for straight gloss, or use straight for gloss, a 1:1 for semi-shine, or a 4:1 for matte finish. Okay, cool. Very cool. All right, and last but not least, we have one more INNOVACAR product, and this is, okay, so this is their tire dressing. This was just a rubber plastic dressing, it's dilutable, and this is INNOVACAR tire dressing. Protective and restoring treatment for tires. I love a good tire dressing, I'm not gonna lie. Probably one of my favorite products to try different ones. And they have a really neat kind of system really on all the back of the bottles, but on this one, let you guys kind of check it out if you can see there. And yeah, it's got their curing time, which is apparently 7 hours. So that's drying time is 20 minutes, but curing is 7 hours. So that is a commitment for a tire dressing, but probably does an insane job. It says it's got really good life, beating is really high, and some depth of color added. All right, so this is a 7 pH. I'll be honest, I don't know about you guys or my other detailers out there. Do you think about the pH of your tire dressing? I'll be honest, I don't know if I've thought of the pH of my tire dressing before. You know, it's definitely something you think about for your car shampoos and APCs or whatever, your interior cleaners, all that stuff. But yeah, tire dressing. So yeah, this is a 7 pH tire dressing, which is pretty neutral. Very cool. So guys, look at all these amazing products I got here. I mean, 4 products from INNOVACAR, which I haven't tried any of them before. Their DS scale, their S2 Foamy Blue, their tire dressing, and then their no odors, which I am really curious to see exactly how we use this. This is all right, so you can see the back of this bottle. They've got some similar markings, kind of tells what it works good for, and also has their pH, which is a 9.5. All right. Also the detail code dressing, which is their, I guess, plastic and rubber dressing. And last but not least, some insane glass towels from the House of Rags. Outstanding. THOR coming with the good towels, and I can't wait to try them all. I'll definitely have some videos coming up, both on this channel as well as my Instagram. Thank you so much for all your support. I just hit a year that I've been in business, and that was on March 11th, and it really has been a crazy ride this past year, and just really some even bigger things on the way. We're also going to be doing more videos in the yacht and boating industry, so definitely be on the lookout for that. A great partnership with Stark Yacht Care and Marine Detail Supply at Charleston. Also doing a lot of content for MTM Veloci. Definitely be on the lookout for more of that. As always, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.